Here are some safety tips when using a lawnmower. Ensure all guards, safety devices, blades and catcher, if required, are fitted correctly. Keep hands and feet clear of moving parts and wear appropriate footwear. Clear the mowing area of debris and be aware of animals or children that might be injured by material ejected from the mower. Start the mower on a flat surface. Always mow in a forward direction and mow across a slope to keep the mower away from the operator in case of slipping. Never leave a mower running unattended and always mow at a speed to keep control if you encounter unexpected obstacles. Always turn the mower off before clearing clogged grass or debris. Always turn the mower off and allow it to cool before refueling. Store fuel in an approved container.